finished shark. Off camera, I went over to the router table and put a Roman OG profile on the base. I went all the way around it. That turned out real nice, give it some nice detail. All that's left to do is put a finish on this, and for me it'll probably just be spray lacquer because I love the natural look of wood. I got this pattern from the Scroll Saw Workshop by Steve Good. He designed the pattern, and you can still get the pattern at scrollsawworkshop.blogspot.com if you want to head over there and download the pattern. I think it turned out real nice. Here's another look at it. Shark Week begins Sunday, July 22nd. I'm excited for it on the Discovery Channel. It's in its 30th year, and that is awesome. I'm hoping to be able to tune in some every day for maybe at least an hour every day and catch some of the shark specials that are on. I really look forward to those each year. That is all for this video. Please continue to like and share my videos. If you haven't already, I'd really love if you'd subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a happy Shark Week, and have a happy week in general. Take care, and God bless.